Hi student, welcome to our YouTube channel of Vivekananda Academy of Human Excellence Chimanga. Students, you know that when we have to find the value of many, at the time we have to multiply, or when we have to find the value of one, we have to divide. So this method of finding the price of one unit, it's called unitary method. So students, now let's see lesson number 3, unitary method. So let's take a few examples to understand it further. So let's solve exercise 1 of lesson number 3, unitary method. So first we will see first word problem. So see student, here a bus carries 2457 passengers every day. How many passengers will it carry in a week? So here a bus, in this example given, a bus carries one day how many number of passengers? So here see, let's see solution of this word problem. Number of passengers carries every day 2457, and we have to find out how many passengers will bus carry in a week. So we know that 1 week means 7 days, means we have to find out number of passengers carry in a week means in 7 days. So see student, number of passengers will carry in a week. How to get its answer? By multiplying 2457 by 7. So let's we multiply here 2457 by 7. 7 sevens are 49, 9 carry over 4. 7 fives are 35, 35 plus 4 39, 9 carry over 3. 7 fours are 28, 28 plus 3 31, 1 carry over 3. 7 twos are 14, 14 plus 3 17. So we get here product 17,199. That is our answer. Number of passengers will carry by a bus in a week is 17,199. So answer of this word problem, thus bus will carry 17,199 passengers in a week. In this way here given value of 1, we find value of more by multiplying. Now see next word problem. Ria reads 42 pages in a one day. How long will it take her to finish the book that has 1428 pages? See student, here Ria read in one day 42 pages. Then we have to find out here. Here in one book total number of pages are 1428. So to read these pages, how much time she required? So let's see solution of this word problem. Number of pages read in one day is 42. So here number of days required to finish 1428 pages. So we divide 1428 by 42. So let's see division. 1428 by 42. So by dividing 142 by 42, we get here quotient 3 and product 126. Now we subtract, we get 16. Next digit we bring down. Then by dividing 168 by 42, we get quotient 4 and product 168. In this way, here we get quotient 34 and that is our answer. So its answer is thus she will finish 1428 pages of a book in 34 days. See student, here we find answer by division method. Let's see next word problem. A dozen books cost 1928 rupees. Find the cost of 7 such book. So let's see solution of this word problem. here we know that 1 dozen means 12. So cost of a dozen books means cost of 12 book is 1920 rupees. But here we have to find out cost of 7 books. So to find cost of 7 books, first we have to find out cost of 1 book. So cost of 1 book, how we will get? By dividing 1920 by 12. So we will divide here 1920 by 12. First we divide 19 by 12. We get quotient 1 and here difference 7. Now next digit 2 we bring down. Now we divide 72 by 12. We get quotient 6. And product we divide, subtract, we get 0. Next digit 0 we bring down. We get quotient 0. In this way, by dividing 1920 by 12, we get quotient 160. So that is the cost of 1 book. 160 rupees we got here cost of 1 book. But here we have to find out cost of 7 book. So how to find it? By multiplying 160 by 7. So see here multiplication 160 we multiply by 7. We get here 7 multiplied by 0. Product we get 0. Then we multiply 6 by 7. 6 7s are 42. 2 carry over 4. 7 1s are 7 plus 4 11. So we get here answer 1120 rupees. So what its answer? Thus the cost of 7 books is equal to 1120 rupees. Now see next word problem. A bag contains 7 kilogram of wheat flour. How many bags will be required to pack 245 kilogram of wheat flour? See student its solution. Here in one bag. Here what is capacity of this bag? In one bag contains 7 kilogram of wheat flour. Now here total amount of wheat flour is 245. So to pack these 245 kilogram of wheat flour, how many bags will be required? So see student, number of bags required to pack 245 kilogram of wheat flour, we divide 245 by 7. So let's see division here. We divide 245 by 7. So first we divide 24 by 7. We get quotient 3. And here next digit 5 we bring down. So we divide 35 by 7. We get quotient 5. In this way, by dividing 245 by 7, we get quotient 35. And that is our answer. So we write here, thus 35 bags will be required to pack 245 kilogram of wheat flour. Now see next word problem. Rahul bought 10 notebooks for 125 rupees. How much would he have to pay for 6 notebooks he buys next time? Means in this example, Rahul bought 10 notebooks. Means here cost of 10 notebooks is 125 rupees. So to find cost of 6 notebook, first we have to find out cost of 1 notebook. So how to find it? By dividing 125 by 10. So cost of 1 notebook, how to get it? By dividing 125 by 10. So we get 12 rupees 50 paise. Now to find cost of 6 notebook, we multiply 12 rupees 50 paise by 6. See student, here we multiply 12 rupees 50 paise by 6. First we multiply 0 by 6, we get product 0. Then we multiply 5 by 6, 6 5s are 30, 0, carry over 3. Then we multiply 2 by 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 5, carry over 1. 6 1s are 6 plus 1, 7. And here we put the decimal point, means here we get answer 75 rupees. So he has to pay 75 rupees for 6 notebooks. Now we will see next word problem. I bought 180 pages for 24 rupees. How much should I pay for 240 pages? See student, here cost of 180 pages is 24 rupees. So how to find cost of one page? By dividing 24 rupees by 180. But here we have to find out cost of 240 pages. So how to get it? So here we multiply 24 rupees by 240 and divide it 180. So here 0 0 get cancelled. Now 24 and 18, its HCF is 6. So we divide 24 and 18 by 6. By dividing 18 by 6, we get quotient 3. 6 3s are 18. And by dividing 24 by 6, we get quotient 4. Now we divide 24 by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 8s are 24. Now remaining 8 and 4, we multiply. 8 4s are 32. So cost of 240 pages is 32 rupees. So answer is thus I should pay 32 rupees for 240 pages. Now see next word problem. A pack of 9 DVDs cost 1791 rupees. How many DVDs did Abhay buy if he paid 5373 rupees? Now here cost of 9 DVDs is given 1791 rupees. So to find here number of DVDs in 5373 rupees, first we have to find out cost of one DVD. So how to get it? By dividing 1791 by 9. So let's see division. We divide here 1791 by 9. First we divide 17 by 9. We get quotient 1. And here difference 8. Now next digit 9 we bring down. Now we divide 89 by 9. We get quotient 9. And here difference 8. Then next digit 1 we bring down. Now we divide 81 by 9. We get quotient 9. In this way, by dividing 1791 by 9, here we get quotient 199. So cost of one DVD is 199 rupees. But here we have to find out how many DVDs did Abhay buy if he paid 5373 rupees. So number of DVDs buy in 5373 rupees. We divide 5373 by 199. See student, we divide 5373 by 199. So first we divide 537 by 199. We get quotient 2. So here we get product 398. We subtract. We get here 9 8 17. 12 minus 9 3 and 5 minus 4 1. Now next digit 3 we bring down. 1393 we divide by 199. We get quotient 7 and product 1393. In this way, by dividing 5373 by 199, we get quotient here 27. So Abhay buy 27 DVDs if he paid 5373 rupees. Next word problem. Neha made 6 liters of lemonade by mixing 1.5 liters juice and rest water. How much lemon juice will be needed to make 16 liters of lemonade? See student, here Neha made 6 liters of lemonade by mixing 1.5 liters of lemon juice and rest of water. Now here we have to find out how much quantity of lemon juice will be needed to make 16 liters of lemonade. So to make 16 liters of lemonade, here first we have to find out quantity of lemonade to make quantity of lemonade for 1 liter of lemon juice. So how to find it? by dividing 6 by 1.5. So see student, here we divide 6 by 1.5. So we have learned how to divide decimal numbers. So here we move one decimal place from left to right, and here we add 1 0 in front of 6. Now we can divide 60 by 15. 15 ones are 15, 15 fours are 60. So we get here answer 4. That is the quantity of lemonade. For we can make 4 liter of lemonade by mixing 1 liter of lemon juice and rest of water. But here in this example we have to find out how much quantity of lemon juice will be needed to make 16 liters of lemonade. So how to get it? See student, quantity of lemon juice needed to make 16 liters of lemonade, we divide 16 liters by 4. So by dividing 16 by 4 we get quotient 4. So here thus 4 liters of lemon juice will be needed to make 16 liters of lemonade. Now see next word problem. 24 computer cost 6,36,000. How many computers can a company buy for 14,57,500 rupees? So here we have to find out number of computers can a company buy for 14,57,500 rupees. So first we have to find here cost of one computer. So in this example given cost of 24 computers. How much it's given? 6,36,000. So here we find cost of one computer. How to find it? By dividing 6,36,000 by 24. See student, here division. 6,36,000 we divide by 24. First we divide 63 by 24. So here we get quotient 2. We subtract 48 from 63. We get here 15. Now we bring down 6 down. Now we divide 156 by 24. We get quotient 6. We subtract, we get 12. Next digit 0 we bring down, quotient 5. Now next digit 0 we bring down, quotient 0. Again one more 0 we bring down, we get quotient 0. In this way we get quotient 26,500, which is the cost of one computer. But here we have to find out how many computers can a company buy for rupees 14,57,500. So we divide 14,57,500 by 26,500. So we get here answer 55. Thus 55 computers can a company buy for 14,57,500. Now see last word problem. A fruit seller sells 5 kg of mangoes for 200 rupees. Another fruit seller sells 3 kg of mangoes for 126 rupees of swank quality. Then from whom should I buy the mangoes? See student, in this word problem 2 cases are given. In first case, a fruit seller sells 5 kg of mangoes for 200 rupees. So in case first we will see. Here cost of 5 kg of mangoes is 200 rupees. So we find cost of 1 kg of mangoes by dividing 200 by 5. We get 40 rupees. See student, we divide 200 by 5. We get 5 fours are 20. 0 quotient. So we get here 40 rupees. Now in case second, another fruit seller says 3 kg of mangoes for 126 rupees. So here we find cost of 1 kg of mangoes. We divide 126 by 3. We get 3 fours are 12 and 3 twos are 6. So we get here quotient 42. Now students, if you observe here, In case first, cost of 1 kilogram of mangoes is 40 rupees. And in case second, cost of 1 kilogram of mangoes is 42 rupees. Then tell me, from whom should I buy? Yes, here I should buy the mangoes from fruit seller who sells 5 kilogram of mangoes for rupees 200. In this way, students, by using unitary method, we solve all example given in exercise 1. Thank you. Have a nice day.